Today we are going to make dolf with mushroom stew, and these are the main ingredients. Dolf
I will cut like this. Then I will
cut into
fry.
pieces,
Yeah.
and then we have mushroom and coriander leaves and
This coriander leaf, this is onion leaves.
onion
Spring
leaves, spring onion.
This will be used later when it is ready.
And then we have sliced carrots and cabbage,
Chinese
isn't it?
leaf, not
It's
no
a-
smell. This is something like this.
Chinese leaves.
Yeah, Chinese green vegetable.
Oh,
Then some mushroom, shrimp,
oh.
and two Chinese seafood stuff.
And we have few shrimps or prawns, and then what are these bulbs?
This is Chinese inside,
Crab meat.
crab meat.
Yeah.
And outside.
Crab meat filled dough available in Chinese grocery shops. These are the different types of mushrooms used for this stew. A closer look at the crab filled dough balls, and we have the shrimps and 2 eggs. This is the third type of mushroom. Now the Chinese leaves used for this stew. Slice mushroom and then stripe cut. Slice mushroom and then cut into stripes. Second type of mushroom you cut into slices or pieces, slanting cut.
Yeah, like this.
Yeah, slant cut. Slant cut.
This
Cut the third kind of mushroom like
it is
this.
raw.
That is waste, and the balance
Through this dirty part.
remove the
Glue.
parts which are not edible or
Then break
dirty,
it. See some are sticky. Break it.
and separate out the mushrooms and put into a basin for washing. Wash the mushroom thoroughly in water and squeeze it to drain out the water. So the water drained and cleaned mushroom looks like this. Place a frying pan on the stove, add cooking oil a little, and fry the sliced dolf. Dolf being fried.
Golden color. Great.
Cover it.
Cover, not cover, go down.
A closer look at the third type of mushrooms. Washed, drained water out and separated into pieces. Slice half an onion. These are the chopped coriander leaves, spring onions, and sliced ginger. Turn dal upside down so that both sides are fried to a golden color. Break the eggs into a bowl
Mix it. Stir.
and then beat it. Beat the eggs, fried dal.
Then I put a little more oil.
Add little oil into the frying pan.
Fry this one.
Add the beaten eggs into it.
Over this one to beat. Yes, more. You know what to do?
Already fried scrambled egg cut into sizable pieces, something like 1-inch size pieces. Add the cooking oil into the
Little. Very
frying pan, little cooking oil, and fry the onions.
Chinese spices.
Add little Chinese spices powder,
Mushroom.
and then add the all mushrooms. Stir them so that they are uniformly fried. Add about 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce. Stir.
Now see
Mushrooms are being fried. Stir sometimes so that they are evenly get fried. This is already prepared chicken broth. Remove the fat out and put into a bowl. Put the chicken broth
Yeah.
into a bowl. Add
So put the mushroom.
already fried dal into the saucepan.
Then put this.
Cover and let it boil.
Green leaves.
Now add the
Mm.
prepared vegetables except the leaves. All ingredients have been added when the water started boiling. Except the green leaves. Now add
Egg.
cut scrambled fried eggs.
This
Keep
next,
it closed.
I will put this one.
Keep it closed.
When the shrimp becoming red, that means ready.
Now add shrimp and the thicker part of the leaves. Add a pinch of salt
Yeah.
to your taste. Finally, complete the dish with adding leaves. Leaves must be put
Last moment.
at the last moment,
They will becoming yellow color.
otherwise they become very softer and yellowish. To retain the green and the fluffy nature of the leaves, you add it at the last moment.
Pepper.
Add sliced ginger and white pepper, freshly ground white pepper on top of the dish.
Before eating, you put this one.
Coriander leaves and the spring onion shall be put just before eating. Now the stew, boiling stew, looks like this. Add the soup into eating bowls, sizable bowls for a person. Sprinkle chopped coriander leaves and the spring onion leaves. That's the finished stew.